I'm Jeff Mudgett, and I'm presenting Eaton Corporation Information Systems. Eaton Corporation is a power management company that provides energy-efficient solutions that help our customers effectively manage their electrical, hydraulic, and mechanical power more efficiently, safely, and sustainably. A little background on Eaton Corporation. It was established in 1911 by Joseph Eaton when he created the first gear-driven truck axle. Though the Eaton headquarters is in Dublin, Ireland, U.S. has headquarters in Cleveland, Ohio. Eaton Corporation has over 96,000 employees worldwide, and combined with its employees and customers, Eaton is represented in over 175 countries. In 2017, Eaton did $20.4 billion in sales. The Eaton mission statement is to provide safe, reliable, efficient, and sustainable power management solutions for our global customers. The vision statement is to improve the quality of life and the environment through the use of power management technologies and services. Eaton Corporation has 4 business platforms: the Vehicle Group, Electrical Group, Hydraulic Group, and Aerospace Group. Together, they produce products of clutches, transmissions, brakes, plastics, furniture, golf grips, hydraulic pumps, cylinders, and steering, just to name a few. And it services of machining, electrical, furniture installation, hydraulic repair, vehicle research and development, filtration lab, and vehicle engineering. Information technology is an important contributor to a company like Eaton. Besides providing basic computer, program, and software services for its 96,000 employees, Eaton IT works with every customer who does business with the organization to create business relationship management, or BRM, through the understanding of each customer's strategic goals and aligning it to help them meet these goals. Considered a key business partner in the organization, IT has taken inputs and influencing factors from the BRMs to create a strategic plan that will not only prove valuable to each customer of the organization, but also internally beneficial to Eaton Corporation as well. The current Eaton Corporation IT strategic plan is a 3 to 5 year process that utilizes a set of 5 principles to help guide it. These 5 principles are customers, where we know our clients and customers well and stay abreast of technology trends so that we can proactively recommend solutions. Technology, where we facilitate an environment to rapidly test and prove or disprove emerging technologies. Sourcing, where we manage key suppliers with the rigor of supply chain management. Governance, where we comply with all government and corporate regulations and policies. And people, where we believe in measuring ourselves for better performance and continuous improvement while leveraging consistent IT processes. With these 5 principles as a guide, the Eaton Corporation IT department strategic approach is continue to support margin expansion and accelerated growth by focusing on the key strategic programs while exploring innovative technologies that can create competitive differentiation. Increase security, reliability, and efficiency by reducing unnecessary applications and technologies, by centralizing additional infrastructure, and by encouraging more process alignment across Eaton. And enable our strategy by leveraging our global scale, by instilling a culture of innovation, and by creating a more disciplined prioritization process. With its 5 guiding principles and a strategic plan, IT proves it is not only an important function to Eaton, but also shows that the organization places high value on the department to work alongside and support its global customers across the 4 business units. I will now detail 3 Eaton information systems that are used on a daily basis. In addition, I will provide the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to provide an in-depth analysis of these 3 business systems. The first system is Customer 360, or C360. This is basically a new system to Eaton. C360 is a powerful analytical tool used by Eaton to assist in managing its relationship with the customer. This system collects customer information from all Eaton associates as he or she interacts with the customer and stores the data in a centralized area for present and future usage. Eaton employees utilize the combined collection of data to help grow and manage the Eaton business system and allows the organization to capitalize on the existing customer relationship. To accomplish this, every time an Eaton associate interacts with the customer, he or she logs into the C360 system and provides details of the customer interaction. Each of these interactions is collected under the customer account and is available to all stakeholders who conduct business with the customer. By eliminating spreadsheets and paper reports, C360 allows associates to view analytical data in real time and identifies potential sales and/or service opportunities, thus creating a more productive Eaton. Beginning with the strengths, C360 utilizes Eaton's renowned customer service, its increased centralized data acquisition area, and provides up-to-the-minute real-time data. Weaknesses include keeping all acquired data, whether necessary or not, requires all personnel that use the system to update customer interaction in order to keep information in real time, and time to train Eaton personnel on the new system. Opportunities of C360 are keeping customer expectation high by digitally recording all customer calls and visits, improving customer interactions, and utilizing data to increase sales and services. Threats include not recording customer interactions due to the provider's system shutdowns because of system updates, and Eaton product dealerships using other competitive data collection systems. The next information system is Product Cycle Management, or Enovia. Enovia is a product data management tool utilized by Eaton project managers, engineers, and designers. This collaborative tool allows anyone with access to the system the ability to view product data at any point in the product cycle life. In particular, Eaton uses Enovia to track transmission parts that begin as prototypes and eventually evolve into production components. Product data includes drawing prints of a part, transmission test procedure documents, transmission test reports, installation instructions, troubleshooting documentation, and the ability to submit test requests. Of all the tools that Enovia provides, transmission test procedure documents and transmission test reports is the most important. For each product test that is required, there is a specific way to perform the test. Test equipment procedures outline the test procedure and provides the test results criteria needed for a successful test. After all testing is complete, the transmission tech report summarizes the purpose of the test procedure, and the test results. Test engineers have the ability to view this formal report and utilize it in all future testing. Strengths of Enovia is that it provides a centralized area for product data, allows for unlimited storage, and all data collected remains in the system whether the product is 4 days old or 40 years old. Weaknesses of Enovia include the new system is hard to learn, uploading data information is lengthy due to only a few employees allowed to enter data, and the new system is not user-friendly. Opportunities Enovia provides is that it creates a one-stop location of all data just by typing in the specified part number without having to look up anything individually, improves test requirements, and allows for an Eaton employee to create a work request in the United States for testing performed in India. The two threats of Enovia is new updated system, which is constantly down for upgrades by system provider, and the new system is very expensive. The third and final information system is SharePoint. SharePoint is a web-based data information system that aligns with Microsoft Office. This collaborative system allows users to create internal websites to store, organize, and access data on most electronic devices through web browsers like Microsoft Explorer, Google Chrome, and Firefox. Eaton specifically utilizes SharePoint as a place to share project information with any employees who has access granted by the SharePoint administrator. In addition, SharePoint offers users the opportunity to track his or her calendar, create work and test requests, and perform asset management. In order to view SharePoint websites, the Eaton project administrator adds an individual as a member who then accesses the site through Eaton's intranet. This management system continues to grow within Eaton and is becoming the preferred means of shared project documentation. The strengths of SharePoint offers Eaton is the ease of using it after it is properly set up by the administrator, links to all Microsoft tools, and increases teamwork among the project members. Weaknesses of SharePoint is that there is no Eaton formal training to creating a SharePoint site. Links are difficult to find if administrator does not set up the site properly, and data that is not checked back in after a user creates a waste of man hours for other individuals wanting to check out information. Several opportunities with SharePoint is it creates a complete project management system for management, shares information performed by different job duties such as designers, engineers, managers, administrators, and accounting, and it provides current updates of the project. The one outside threat to Eaton Corporation using SharePoint is the attachment of proprietary information to the website that can be hacked. Information system recommendations. Of the three information systems, the one that's currently operating at peak performance is Customer 360. So there is no reason at this point right now to offer any recommendations since it is working so well. Enovia, or Project Cycle Management, recommendations is that this is a new upgrade in mid-2017. And since that upgrade, there's been many problems and headaches that have been associated with the system. The recommendation is to revert back to the old system, work through the new system bugs, and then roll it out as a trial test to certain Eaton individuals. At the end of that trial test, when it is verified that the system is working efficiently, then upgrade the system all across Eaton. As for SharePoint, recommendations is that Eaton needs to train its users and administrators on how to properly operate and go through SharePoint. In addition, firewall protection updates need to be done regularly in order to ensure that proprietary information is not stolen or hacked. In conclusion, with employees and customers in over 175 countries, Eaton relies heavily on information technology to beat the competition. Through Eaton's 3 to 5 year IT strategic plan, guided by the 5 principles of customer, technology, sourcing, governance, and people, the organization looks to continuously improve upon its business technology. Examples of this improvement are the 3 business systems of C360, Enovia, and SharePoint. These systems afford Eaton the ability to keep the customer happy and the employee productive. Furthermore, by making some minor improvements to a couple of the information systems, Eaton can in turn guarantee its employees remain highly productive. Eaton recognizes that business technology is crucial to its success, and the only way to continue down this path is to ensure that the organization has the tools necessary to keep up with the ever-changing technological business world.